Pasta. It's one of the most beloved foods in the world. From spaghetti twirled in rich tomato sauce, to creamy fettuccine alfredo, to delicate ravioli filled with cheese, pasta brings comfort and joy to millions every day. But what if I told you that making pasta at home isn't just possible, it's fun, simple, and incredibly rewarding? In today's video, we're going step by step through the art of homemade pasta, from mixing and kneading the dough, to rolling and shaping it, to cooking it to perfection, and pairing it with sauces. By the end, you'll never look at a box of store-bought pasta the same way again. Let's start with the essentials. For the pasta dough, all you need are 4 simple ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, or Italian 2000-foot flour for extra silkiness. 3 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, optional but helps with elasticity. That's it. No preservatives, no additives. Just real, simple food. And for serving, that's entirely up to you. A classic tomato sauce, a creamy Alfredo, or even just olive oil and Parmesan. Fresh pasta is a blank canvas ready to soak up any flavor. Making the dough. Step 1. The dough. On a clean surface, pour your flour into a mound and make a well in the center. Crack in your eggs, sprinkle the salt, and add olive oil if using. With a fork, gently whisk the eggs, slowly pulling in flour from the edges. Soon, it will come together into a shaggy dough. Now it's time to get hands-on. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. It should feel firm but pliable. Once ready, wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll out later. Rolling and shaping the pasta. After the dough has rested, it's time to shape your pasta. If you have a pasta machine, start on the widest setting and feed the dough through, folding and rolling until it becomes smooth. Gradually make it thinner until it reaches your desired thickness. If you don't have a machine, no worries. A rolling pin works just fine, it just takes a little more patience. From here, you can cut the dough into any shape you like. Long strands for spaghetti or fettuccine, wide sheets for lasagna, squares for ravioli or tortellini. Lightly dust with flour to keep everything from sticking. Cooking fresh pasta. Now comes the easiest part, cooking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt for every 4 cups of water. Think of it as seasoning the pasta from the inside out. Drop in your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 4 minutes. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. When it floats to the top and feels tender but still slightly firm, it's ready. Be sure to save a little pasta water before draining. That starchy liquid is a secret weapon for making silky sauces. Sauce options. Let's talk sauces. Pasta and sauce are like dance partners, one complements the other. Here are 3 quick classics. Tomato sauce. Sauté garlic and olive oil. Add crushed tomatoes, salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of basil. Simmer for 15 minutes for a bright, fresh flavor. Alfredo sauce. Melt butter, stir in cream, add Parmesan, and season with black pepper. Creamy, rich, and indulgent. Pesto. Blend fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan, and olive oil. Vibrant, nutty, and perfect for a lighter dish. Once your sauce is ready, toss in the pasta with a splash of pasta water. This helps everything cling beautifully together. Plating and servicing. Now for the grand finale, plating. Twirl your pasta neatly onto a plate, ladle the sauce over, sprinkle Parmesan, and finish with fresh herbs like basil or parsley. Homemade pasta is not just food, it's an experience. The texture, the flavor, the satisfaction of knowing you created it from scratch, that's unbeatable. And there you have it, fresh homemade pasta from scratch. Silky, delicious, and guaranteed to impress anyone at your table. Remember, pasta making is an art. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. With practice, you'll get better, and before long, you'll be crafting pasta shapes like a true Italian chef. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite pasta dish? Until next time, buon appetito!